Hello, beautiful people. Today I'm changing my spark plugs on my 2023 Honda Accord Hybrid Sport. The first step you're going to do is take off this cover here. You basically just pull it straight up and it comes off. It's a piece of basically foam, coated foam. Then you're going to have to take out your coils. So that's a 10 millimeter, real simple. All right, pop off the connector and then it just pulls straight up. Secondly, you need to get yourself a special thin-walled 14 millimeter spark plug socket. I got this one on Amazon. I'll try to put a link in the description for that. All right. And what I do is I try to clean up a little bit around the top of the engine here with brushes and some spray, because you don't want any of that debris that's on the top, that's going to be on the top, going into the cylinders. These are in there pretty tight. There we go. Now these have 85,000 miles on them. They're looking pretty yucky, so I'm glad I did this. I think these plugs are rated at about 100,000. I do a lot of highway miles, but which is probably not the best for a hybrid engine. Anywho, so there's the new plugs. For this particular vehicle, it's a DILKAR 7H11GS. I got a 4-pack on Amazon. I could also put the link in the description. These are the laser iridium. That's what's recommended by the manufacturer in the owner's manual. Okay. They come pre-gapped. That's what I like about NGK. You're going to carefully slide that in there. And I do it by hand at first because you don't want to cross thread. That is going to be a huge problem if you strip the cylinder head. Okay. Tighten that up about maybe an eighth of a turn once it stops. Not sure exactly how many foot-pounds, but I've never had a problem doing it that way. You can always look up the specs. Brush this off, make sure there's no debris. Looking pretty good. Pop this back on there. Let's see if I can give you a better angle here. Slide this in there. Flush right there. Put your connector on. And 10 millimeter bolt. Line that up. Not too bad. Not a bad job. It's something I like to keep up on my stuff. Definitely. I'm going to be doing the transmission flush probably by the weekend, so I'll make another video on that. It's pretty simple. The owner's manual recommends that you don't do it yourself. I'm going to tighten that. You don't want to crack it though. There's a piece of plastic housing, so I wouldn't over tighten that. It doesn't need to be that very tight. It's just enough so it doesn't vibrate loose. Again, all along the way I try to clean up a little bit, get some of the debris out of there. Try to keep it nice and clean. Two down. Two to go. That's what I use that. Yeah, keep it on top of the oil. Changing your spark plugs. Keep it on top of your fluids. And I'm going to be getting some of that liquid moly. It should extend the life of my engine. I'm going to put that in the ram and the Accord. I think it's the chemical compound is MOS2. It's supposed to extend the life of your engine. This one, pull this one out. Oh, it's got a little bit of a bug or something in there. But other than that, it looks pretty good. Looks like it's a mess there. I don't know if that was. I'm not too sure what that was. Hopefully it's not a spark leak, but it should be okay. It's been running fine. I said I stamped on top of this stuff. A little bit of stuff in there. It's almost like a rust. So I use a Q-tip just to try to clean that up a little. Very good. All right. As you can see, it's going pretty smoothly. Take off the plastic protective covering, shipping cover, whatever you want to call it. I'll just put this in there and slowly lower it into the cylinder head. Oh, I think I made a boo-boo. Rookie move. You gotta take out the old one first. Not paying attention. I'm trying to film here. Let's see here. Gotta get a good grip on it. It's in there pretty good. Yeah. I'm gonna say at least, I don't know, maybe 15, 20 foot-pounds. But no big deal. I've been eating my Wheaties. And I just back it out by hand. Okay, another rusty looking, yucky 85,000 mile spark plug. But the tip is, the iridium tip part, it looks clean. Like I said, it's little things like this will make your engine last so much longer and drive so much smoother. Run purr like a kitten. And I'm just slowly hand tightening this until it kind of stops. And let's see. I'll give it this much of a turn. It's at about an eighth. You don't want to over tighten it, like I said. Could be a problem. Grab some paper towels here. Some of that. Make sure there's nothing that's going to fall into the pocket. There we go. Looking pretty good. Slide that down in there. Oh, you know what? Looks a little yucky there. I'll try to get some of that. There we go. Just debris from driving, pollen, road salt. Just get all that stuff out of there. Make it nice and clean for the next time you look at it. And you do it all over again. Okay. Very good. Satisfied. Let's drop this one in here. Attach your connector. Just basically to take it off, you're just going to push this down and back it out. Pretty simple. Normal clip. Okay, I'm gonna clean the top of this off here. 10mm bolt. And pop it in here. Not bad, not bad. Nice. Same thing, about an 1/8 or 1/16 of a turn. That's about it. Like I said, you don't want to crack the housing on your coils. These individual coils, coil packs. 3 down, 1 to go. Clean this off. There we go. Straight out. Clean that a little bit. Ooh. There we go. This is something you could do at home. Save yourself quite a bit of money. I don't know what the dealer charges, but they're pretty much crazy now. Sometimes $200 an hour just for labor, plus the parts. The plugs, I want to say, were like, I don't know, less than $100 for all 4. But again, they last you so long. Okay, number 4. Here's your number 4. It's a little yucky looking. And around here you got some like rust looking stuff. Certainly not the way it comes from the factory. Careful it doesn't drop onto the ground because these will break, the ceramic. All right, nice, fresh, clean NGK DILKAR 7H11GS for the 2023 Honda Accord Hybrid Sport 2.0 engine. All right. Lower this into there slowly. You don't want to hit the tip and throw off the gap, so just go nice and easy. Easy peasy. All right. Again, slowly gonna tighten that by hand. Probably about a 1/16 of a turn. Let's see here. This is looking a little same thing. It's got this powdery looking stuff here. I'll just you know, I have some dielectric grease. Hang on a minute, I'll be right back. I like to use the dielectric grease on all my electrical connections. So what I'm going to do is go back through and hit them all up. It's pretty simple. Let's see if this is going to come out. I say that. You don't want to bend those terminals in there. How do you turn this thing on? Max. Ooh, put a little grease in there. Stuff's pretty expensive, but I use it. It's recommended. All right. So just inside where the connector goes, same thing. Just drop it in. That prevents corrosion, moisture, helps connectivity. A little extra step like that just shows your engine a little bit of love. All right, and tighten this one. 16th of the turn, if that. Not cracking the housing. And we'll go through and just pull these clips off. Hit them up one at a time. You could do either side, as long as it gets on there between the connection. That's what I'm looking for. Plus, it's easier to take off. It won't, if it's, prevents corrosion. And it's simple. Little simple step like this. It's a good thing for your engine. And that's it. 4 spark plugs in. Oop, let me put this over here. Your coil packs are back on. Just get another spray. There we go. Voila. Not perfectly clean, but I just like to, I do what I can. Okay. Then you got your cover here. Throw that back on. Real simple. Just presses back on. And we're good. If you like this video, folks, why not hit the subscribe button? I do a lot of stuff with Hondas. Stuff that you can do at home, save you a lot of money. Thanks for watching.